everyone, and welcome to Book Talk. Today we have a guest speaker from Mrs. Burnett's class.
Hi, my name is Wyatt, and I'm gonna be featuring the book The Wild Robot by Peter Brown. It's definitely one of my favorite books, and it's about this robot who washed ashore on an island, and instead of serving humans, she only had animals to adapt to. So she had lots of adventures, but I'm not going to spoil them for you right now because you need to read it. But definitely check this book out, and I hope you like it.
Thank you, Wyatt. Wild Robot looks like a really great book, and we're going to have some soon in our school library once we finish our Follett Book Fair. If you'd like to get this book now, you can order it online at the Follett Book Fair, and the books will be shipped directly to you. The link is located on the school website. And for now, happy reading!
Fourth through sixth grade students, we're going to be adding a little bit of something for you to do during your recess periods. And basically they're just all some different organized activities. And so they'll rotate through on a weekly basis. And the first one that we're going to talk about that we're going to have set up for you when you return back from February break is going to be disc golf. Some of you have probably noticed the basket that looks, sorry, it's over here, a little bit something like this that's on the lower field. That one and some other baskets will be set up for you to use. And basically the idea is you use a golf disc, a frisbee, and basically what you're trying to do is start at a specific place and try to make it into the basket with as few throws as possible. We'll have some discs for you to use. We have about 6 or 7 or 8 discs or so for everyone to use. We'll just take turns and share, sanitizing in between, of course, and hope that you have some fun with it. So, anything else we need to know about that? I don't think so. If you have suggestions for other activities that you'd like to see for organized recess, then let us know, and we'll see if we can add them if we have the equipment. And if we don't have the equipment, maybe we can find some. So anyway, that is it. So organized recess activities. First one we're going to have is disc golf. Can't wait.
The best thing working at Core School School has been, one, my students, and definitely the staff here too, because everyone's super helpful and kind and a lot of fun. So
Awesome.
I want them to know that I really love having them in class, and I love seeing them online, especially when they talk to me and they have their cameras on, because then I feel like they're with me and we can have a good time together. That's what I love. When I'm not at school, I love to go on runs or walks with my dogs. That's my favorite thing. I also really love to go rock climbing. And every winter I usually go ice climbing. So hopefully next winter I'll be able to do that. But that's it.
All right. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
All right, congratulations to this week's students for receiving your postcard and getting some recognition from your teacher, or in some cases, someone who wasn't your teacher. So nice job, students. The postcards were mailed out this week before I made this video, so some of you may have received them already, actually. So since I don't have the postcards, I had a random name picker on the internet select this week's winner for the prize. So good luck to all of you. What follows is the recording of what the random name picker picked. Congratulations, Twyla. Come on by the office next time you're on campus and collect your prize.
These are our dogs, Tucker and Molly. Tucker and Molly are both rescue dogs. Tucker likes chasing cats, unfortunately, but he also really likes ice. That's his favorite treat. Molly is also a rescue dog. She doesn't really like anybody but me, but she does love eating and sleeping. So we're out for our morning walk. Thought I would take a minute to introduce you to them. Can't wait to see all of your pets. Have a great day. Tucker and Molly said to have a great day.
So these are my pigs, Hamilton and Henry. They are mini pigs and are 1 year old. One of the things they absolutely love is eating, and watermelon is one of their favorite things to eat. Here is Mr. Henry enjoying the sun. And here are the brothers together, snuggling. They get along most of the time. This is Mr. Hamilton getting a bath. This is Maggie, my golden doodle. She's 8 years old and she loves to cuddle. And this is my puppy, Miss Mia. She is 5 months old. She joins us on Zoom sometimes. She even managed to eat my computer charger during Zoom. But she's away at training right now, learning how to behave herself. This is Maverick. He is my old boy. He is 16 years old and we love him lots. And last but not least, for the Heimer Zoo, this is Holly. She's 2 years old and she is one sassy cat. And here are Miss Tracy's adorable doggies. We have Gunner. He is 4 years old and he is a Husky Shepherd mix. And Otis, who is also 4, and he is a lab mix. Miss Tracy says both of her boys are very well loved. She got Otis as a puppy, and Gunner she rescued 2.5 years ago. This is Claude's adorable dog, and his name's Bullet. He's 3 years young. His favorite day is trash day because he barks at the truck whenever they drive by. And this is Claude's other dog. She is 2, almost 3, and she loves to greet you when you walk through the door. And this lovely is Claude's third dog, Caliber. She's 1 year old, and a fun fact is she does not really like her mom. Not very nice, Caliber. This is Alexa's kitty named Pepper. She is a female, and she likes to be sassy. I think Pepper would be really good friends with our cat, Holly. Sassy girls. And this is Matt C's dog, Bear. Bear is 1 year old. And Matt says that Bear is really good at cheering people up if they're feeling down. So this is Miss Lucy's boy, baby hamster, and his name is Arnold. And he is about 3 weeks old. So cute and tiny. This is Lucy's family dog. Her name is April. She's 5 years old, loves to play, and is a great Pyrenees. This is Andy, and he is another one of Lucy's family dogs. And he is super sweet, and you see up in the upper right hand corner, her dog April has his paw right on top of Andy's head. And here is Lucy's third family dog. She is a girl, so cute. She's a puppy, only 4 months old. She loves to sleep all day, Lucy said. Her name is Eileen, and she actually only has 3 legs. Lucy told me that her mom actually chewed one of her front legs off. Not too good.
So hi, it's Brooklyn. This is my cat, Buster Posey. We got her when I was in preschool. I don't know exactly her age. And then this is Woody. Woody, sit, shake, lay down, good boy. And this is Bummer. Sit, shake. Oh my gosh, Woody. Calm yourself, dog. Calm yourself, dog. Alright, this is Bummer. He can also sit, shake, and lay down. Bummer is about 4 and Woody is almost 1. Yeah, the cat is my favorite.
My dog is a 2-year-old beagle, and he's a ball of energy. He wants to play all the time and loves it.
Down. Sit down. Stay. Go over.
And that is it, you guys. Hope you enjoyed seeing our animals, and I hope you're all staying safe and enjoying your time at home with them. Have a great day.